Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm in my basement. I'm about to clean my basement floor because they're a little dingy. So I cleaned them with hot water and pine saw, you guys. And here's my bucket of water. I just got off the sink. So without further ado, this is what I do to have it fresh smelling down here and just cleaning the floors. You see, I don't have nothing really down in my basement but like my washer and stuff. I have a box over there of things that I'm gonna donate. That I have all type of stuff. I have backpacks. I have a coffee maker and things like that. So I'm planning on giving that away to the Goodwill. Okay. So, without further ado, let's get started with this pine saw cleaning my bathroom. I'm sorry, my basement floor. So let's get started. So this stuff is strong, guys, so you just want a little of it. My goodness. This stuff is super strong. And what you do, you add a little of the hot water. Just add a little hot water. You get an old broom. Yeah. And I'm going to show you guys the floor. In just a minute. My dustpan. Yeah. My broom has hair on it. So I'm gonna use a little of this. You almost need a face mask with this pine saw. And I usually clean my floors, you guys, probably every 2 to 3 months. And you can see the difference. So I'm going to show you. I hope you guys can see. The soap and everything on the floor. And you can also, you guys, you see the difference. But this is the high traffic area going to the washing machine. So. And you can just see the dirt just come off the floor. And I also mix a little of this in here, you guys, to cut down on the scent of the pine saw. Oh, wow. show you again and again and again and again. I hope you all can see. You can just see the water is going down the drain. But the water was a little dirty. And like I said, I do this every so often because I like stuff to be clean. Whoops, came out the little shoe here. And go right down the drain. And that's just a part of my little spring cleaning that I do, you guys. I know it's not spring yet, but this is what I do. Like, take hot water and Pine-Sol and just go over all over my basement floor and just clean certain spots and make sure it's just really clean, because in the summertime, when it get extremely hot, I like to come down in my basement where it's cool at. So it's going to be time for me to get that in order before the spring and summer arrive. So I just show you a little part of what I use to clean my basement floor. But you can use any detergent that you like. But me, I just like the Pine-Sol. And I like using a Fabuloso. This is the antibacterial. I just like using these to clean my floors with, because it's giving that smell and have your floor looking clean. Because I just had a few little dirt spots and it just came right on up. Okay, you guys? But if you don't have either one of these, you can use any type of cleanser you have to just make sure everything coming up clean and everything. So once I donate that box over there, my basement should be all good and ready for the spring and summer, so I can chill down here where it is cool. So I thank you guys for watching and then coming in and sharing part of your day with me. Let me see my cleaning habits of my basement, and I thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now. Bye, guys.